Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Nickelodeon app subscription and start watching kids' shows and cartoons, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete access. Step 1. Download the Nickelodeon app from your device's App Store. It's available on the Apple App Store for iOS devices, Google Play Store for Android, and on smart TV platforms like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Apple TV. Step 2. Install the Nickelodeon app on your device and open it once the installation is complete. You'll be greeted with a home screen showing featured shows and content. Step 3. Look for the Sign In or Activate button, usually located in the top corner of the app or in the Settings menu. Tap or select this option to begin the activation process. Step 4. The app will present you with two options: sign in with your TV provider or subscribe directly. If you have a cable or streaming TV subscription that includes Nickelodeon, select Sign In with TV Provider. Step 5. Choose your TV provider from the list displayed. Popular providers include Comcast Xfinity, Spectrum, DirecTV, YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and many others. Step 6. Enter your TV provider account credentials when prompted. This typically includes your username or email address and password associated with your TV subscription. Step 7. If subscribing directly without a TV provider, select the subscription option and enter your payment information. Nickelodeon may offer a free trial period for new subscribers. Step 8. Once authenticated or subscribed, the app will refresh and unlock all content. You'll have access to full episodes, live TV, and exclusive Nickelodeon shows. Browse the available content and start watching your favorite Nickelodeon programs immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.